The forecast said it was about to rain for the upcoming 5 days. Thankfully it's dry now, just after 12. And tomorrow there's even going to be some sun with 16 degrees. So that's a lot better, especially because tomorrow's Sunday market. Yeah. Right now heading towards Levante beach, got a quick peek over there, the crowds, and then head towards the left. Head into the Rincon area, the bars over there. Probably because it just stopped raining. It won't be that busy at all at the beach, but it's nice to have a look at least. Quite some people going out for a walk. At least the streets had a good wash, as you can see. And they were doing something else as well. For last night, they have been doing a complete deep clean of the beach, of the sand over here, as you can see. All the way until back there. Also the reason why they removed all the sun lounges. Because no one will use it anyways in winter. Or at least these days. Thankfully they timed that well. Well, there is a lifeguard on duty. But you can go home as well. Nothing. No one over here. Lots of bars have put up extra covering to make sure if it's rainy or windy, people can still sit nicely inside. Let's go have a quick look at the bars back there. Stag and Pheasant, Ricas. Quite some crowds, and as well I think Ricas did quite some renovation work, a new logo and everything in front. But correct me if I'm wrong, I haven't been here for 2 months, so definitely looks much better. Yeah, definitely not the largest crowds or anything. But hey, lovely spending holiday right over here now. Nice and quiet, still comfortable. 15 degrees for today. Tomorrow 1 degree warmer, 16. Then we're getting to colder days with a little chance of rain. And I believe after that, then we're already at Thursday, if I'm counting right. Then the sun will break through again. Probably the beach will be a little bit in use at least. Let's head towards the Rincon. Big tower back there from Port Benidorm, finishing construction. We'll take a look up there quite soon. Closed Grand National back there, and there's quite a chance that your favorite bar right now could be closed for the holidays. Yeah, most of the bar owners go on holiday at this time of year because it's really quiet. So yeah, that has a chance of that. So if you're especially traveling here for a bar, then check out their Facebook page or Google opening times for that one. Make sure at least the bar you want is open. And don't forget to hit like, does help a lot. And do subscribe if you aren't yet and want to see more videos of here in Benidorm on your YouTube timeline. Got several bars down there. Silver Dollar, Piccadilly, but those are for a different time. Right now I want to check out back there. There we got the red, what was it, red roof, red door bar, and there was a bank next to it, a real bank, and then they closed it a few years ago. And now finally they're doing something with that place. I knew it was under construction before I left, and I believe right now we can see almost what the finished product should look like, or at least I hope. So that is where we're heading now, to the Rincon. All the shops and everything are open on the left, but most of them are souvenir shops. Lots of those 24/7 supermarkets where you can get expensive products. Well, the one over here has been closed on this side. Nothing going on, it's just empty. Inside as well, but they did manage to do a lot with the floor, I see. But yeah, who knows what this is gonna be. We'll keep an eye on it. And even now with these grey skies, looks like the sun is trying to break through. I hope so, because then it warms up immediately over here. Okay, there we got the red door. Straight across the KFC and the Kite Laundress. The red door bar. And next to it was that bank, where we're gonna have a look now. Oh, over here by the way, Chulo. One of the places I usually go to if I want some Indian food over here. Good menus always. This one is €2 cheaper in winter, I see, the full menu. So yeah, coming in winter does usually save quite a lot. Of course, hotel prices and everything are much more affordable than peak season times in summer. But as well, restaurants, bars and everything, they as well usually are a little bit cheaper and do have some better offers. And there we are, the bank. And you know what? The same group as has the other two bars, the green door, red door, silver dollar, $1 million, and not anymore the golden dollar. But yeah, the Grupo Dollar Group has taken over the building. Gonna name it the bank. It usually was a bank already, but definitely a cool theme for a bar in Benidorm. We don't have that yet. Time to walk a little bit through towards there. So at least I can show you guys the green door, one of the bars they also own. They own quite a lot in Benidorm. All very nice bars to sit at. All the same pricing, I believe, as well. Yeah. And we have green door. One of the bars which is also from them. The Chinese restaurant over here isn't a Chinese anymore. Big renovation going on. Can't look inside, maybe the doors over here? I know. We'll leave them at it for now. Won't be long, I think, until it's finished. Even the lights are up already inside. Yeah, but it will be at least something completely new. This Chinese wasn't a huge success, especially not with China Garden right over there at the roundabout across the Melia. That has always been the bigger, more popular one. And a bit further down the road we also got Mandarin and another few bars. Sun Terrace, at least with a little bit of sun, can see some clear skies in the left corner. Let's hope there will be more of that. Of course, when you're coming to Benidorm, you do want to see some sun. Let's have a look at the menu from China Garden. Maybe do they have some offers as well in winter times? Maybe not. Maybe they have increased the price. Ah no, still 11 euros for the menu they had. Still very affordable if you consider it's including a drink and dessert as well. Yeah, got the other Red Lion up there. And Amelia just behind it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget, hit like, do subscribe. Hope to see you next time.